BK here. Thank you for joining ZZ and I on day 7 of Trash to Track. Today's a day we've been dreading. There's like despair is just like lingering over us. So what we have to do is work on the wiring harness. Let's start by just disconnecting as much as we can. Been yanking at this for a while. Thought I've got all of them, but there's one more. It says to push, and I pushed a hole in it. Here we go. This hose is cut. Oop, it's free. So it looks like we've got everything moved out of the way, and now we can start working on it. Hey, what's up? Gigi Styles and I are just taking a break. We've removed a lot of, we've moved a lot of the wiring harness, and I think we've inspected where the faults are. Before we were talking about how ZZ was claimed by spiders. This is what I mean. They're everywhere. Okay, I've left you in suspense long enough. We get to find out where this wire goes and why it's so important. Are you ready? I'm not sure you are ready for the importance of this wire. Oh, well, that didn't work the way I thought it would. Yeah, it goes nowhere. All day to get here. Just a few more. So far, the last few have had strong connections. This is the broken one we need. But what is it? You know what it is. It's the wiring harness. Hey, thanks for joining us on day 7 of Trash to Track. Today we wrapped all the exposed wires and resoldered all the wires that weren't connecting properly. As well, we also replaced 2 sensors. Tomorrow, hopefully, we'll finish up the electrical system. Don't forget to join ZZ's stream, like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.